Every journey begins with a decision to leave comfort, chase nature, and discover something unforgettable. Today, we are escaping the noise and heading straight into the heart of Kirinyaga County, where every twist in the road leads to something epic. Be part of the cruise as we make a staycation at Roswam Hotel, where luxury blends perfectly with tranquility and every moment invites you to the humid air of the Mount Kenya escarpments. We trade comfort for adrenaline, taking on the steep and narrow paths that lead us down the raw, powerful and untamed Thiba Falls. We pause to marvel at the vast presence of Thiba Dam, immerse ourselves in the heart of it all at the thunderous beauty of Nyamindi Falls, followed by the calm hidden valley of Mlango Pool. This isn't just a journey, it's an experience covered by nature, felt in every step and remembered long after the road ends. This is the Kathandeni Waterfall Chase, Hike and Staycation. We kicked off this journey early in the morning, chasing the calm before the day could fully wake up. But the road had other plans. Traffic slowly swallowed us along Thika, all the way past Del Monte, an end-month weekend reality. The most preferred time to travel, the most preferred time to marry, and easily the worst time to be on the road with our end-month salaried friends. Once we broke free, the drive opened up beautifully. The Kenol Marua Highway was calm, almost untouched, carrying us through lush, dense, perfectly aligned high-rise trees that stretch endlessly from the skyline view. A road that reminds you why journeys matter just as much as destinations. This was a hiking trip paired with an overnight staycation, and our base for the night was the Roswam Hotel. Nestled in the heart of Kerugoya, we found comfort wrapped in calm. Spacious deluxe rooms fitted with top-tier facilities, a fully equipped gym and wellness spaces, modern conference rooms, lush green event gardens, and a vast chilly full-length swimming pool that instantly slows you down. And to crown it all, a sky lounge sitting area offering sweeping views that make you pause and simply take it all in. After a restful night, it was time to chase what Kirinyaga does best, waterfalls. But first, we stopped at Thiba Dam, a massive calm powerhouse carved into the landscape. Its still waters stretch wide, reflecting the sky surrounded by rolling green hills that make the dam feel both powerful and peaceful at the same time. Afterwards, adventure truly began. We took on the steep, narrow paths leading down to Thiba Falls, a raw spectacle of nature. The descent tests your focus. The sound of rushing water grows louder with every step, and then suddenly you are standing before a force that reminds you just how alive this land really is. And that was only the beginning.
Baby, I know she's a man. Kathandeni, you're welcome. It's a nice destination. Huku ndani kuna is a good site for ecotourism. Na niko sure mtaenjoy, ndio?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mtaenjoy hata mtaenda mlifanya marafiki wengine wakuje. Yes. Tukienda huku ndani, ni good thing naona mko tu kidogo, mko ranch numbers. Hiyo tunahitaji kama askari wanajiintroduce, at least mnajua mnaenda na penja nani, ndio vile nimeintroduce. Yes. Sijui kama walikuwa wamejitambulisha.
Bado. Tunajua tu influencer peke yake.
Okay.
Jina ni Patrick. Patrick Kerugoya.
Ni teado amushemeni. Ni.
Okay.
Jina ni Reja David Kenywa.
Mimi nimesikia ni staycation. Sasa mimi ni kuzo.
Hai kazini.
Hata mimi nimesema leo nitawajoin. Nimekakata mimi bila kuenda huko.
So tunaenda na wewe.
Tutaenda pamoja.
Mimi kama leo influencer ni wengi.
Huko kuna watu na ile etiquette, kuna conserve environment. Kama kuwa na snacks tu vitu twako. Na kama ni tunini tupewa bag unaweka wapi? Hapo unasunda kwa mfuko. Ndio hiyo environment ikuwe ni safi. Leo tunaendanga kama group watu wachanangi. Na zingine huko ndani kuna wale wanyama. Unajua mambo na sisi sio peke yetu. Kuna tunyama kama ndovu hapa na pale. Ndio tunaendanga as a group. Yes. Napata hakuna kuachana. Ule nje mmoja akiwa hapa anaona yule mwingine. Yes. But at your free time, unaweza kupiga picha unasema unasimama. Yes. So ni hayo, hakuna mambo.
Tunaona nini huko ndani?
Huko Nyamindi Waterfall. Alafu tena kuna pool, inaitwa Mlango Pool. Okay. Nilikuwa nimesikia ni kama mlikuwa ni kwenda kwa pool.
Tutaenda kwa falls, alafu tunaenda tumalizie kwa pool. Hiyo ndio chill spot.
Sawa. Neno tutafika, mtajionea. So at good luck maybe tunaweza patana na ndovu ziko mingi sana hapa.
Hiyo ni good luck.
Aziko violent. Aziko violent tukipatana nayo. Sawa. Alafu tena sasa huku kuna kwa na buffalo though ni ngumu kupata juu ziko huko kwa moulded. Zikubali kidogo. So mkikuja next kuna fall nyingine inaitwa Nyamindi father stand huko kwa moulded.
Sasa hiyo inahitaji by 6.
Kwa hapa.
Moja mko wapi?
Hapa.
Mko hapa. So ndio mtaenda tu destinations.
Okay.
Hiyo waterfall ya hapo. Hiyo waterfall 3 waterfalls. Na hiyo Mlango Pool, hiyo swimming pool.
So swali ni mtu anaweza enda mpaka peak kutoka hapo.
Peak ni nini?
Ya saa moja.
Sasa mbadi na idai sasa
Mapema.
Hata
tukitoka hapa
organize the trip ya kwenda kulala juu huwezi enda peak na urudi.
Ni mbali zaidi.
Watu wanalala huko? Hiyo tutaenda tukiongea. interesting.
Okay. So now what is the etiquette ya tukipatana na ndovu kitu kama hiyo? What should we know? Okay.
Kama haiko imetuona, iko na chance ya kuiona.
Okay.
Na kama imetuona before tuone, sasa tukiwaambia yushila tunaistua inaenda.
Okay.
Inaendelea na safari.
All right. Sawa.
Haziko fire za huku, sio ufai kwa.
Ndio maana wanamebanga hizi vidudu bila kuwa. Just to scare.
Okay.
Niko na Strava. Niliwasha.
Kwa taswima picha.
Huko, mimi nizunguke huko. Nyinyi mmezunguka?
Hapo.
Lakini si nita slide.
Kiatu uko nayo.
Hii kiatu siwezi amini.
Wewe. Wana
mambo gani haya?
Wana mang mimi. Hapo utasikia uzito. Sasa wacha hivyo vile imetengenezwa, haikuaga na hizi. Watu walikuwa wanateremkaga hivyo free flow.
Kama nini? Hata rangi inakuaga hivi.
Free flow.
But hii kinyesha una slide kama
mbaya.
Hapo ni mbaya wewe. Eri sifu. Guys. Okahora neguo ma.
Niko okahora we menyerere men.
Akako imenyerera tondu maguru no mamwe.
Kai.
Hapa sio tungekaa chini, sivyo?
Okahora.
Tembo ile. Tuna guys.
Views upon views.
Guys.
Ni mob.
Sasa hakukuwa na hizo vitu za kushikilia.
Ilikuwa gatuike kinini peke yake.
Na balance.
Hapo ulikuwa na balance peke yako hapo.
Sasa the beauty of Kathandeni inaanzia hapo.
Bana wewe. Hapo.
Ni baridi. Ui. Hiyo maji. Tunasema hiyo maji.
Deep within Kathandeni Forest, the sound arrives before the sight. And suddenly, you see it, Nyamindi Falls, a massive three-tire cascade crashing with authority, loud, powerful, and alive. This is where the falls gives birth to the Nyamindi River, flowing forward with purpose. The air here is different, serenity wrapped in deep green vegetation, moulded ancient rocks shaped by time, freezing waters cutting through the side. The slope leading down to the falls isn't easy. It demands balance, patience, and respect. Challenging? Yes, but absolutely achievable. And once you are here, you realize this is one of those places that words will never fully capture. You don't just see Nyamindi Falls, you experience it. And just when you think the hike has given you everything, it saves the best for last. The hidden heart of the forest, the final gift of the journey, Mlango Pool.
kushikilia. Unasikia kuanza kunyesha? Kuanza kunyesha, si ati tunakaa. Hii unaweka kwa chai.
Kwa chai kadogo.
Wacha tupige picha.
Hizo hatuna kwa. Tunasemanga ni nyingi. Mungu aliumba hii miti. Iliumbwa na Mungu. Hizi
si rahisi.
I know. I wonder. How did they do that?
At the end of the trail, the forest presents its final secret. Hidden deep within the valley lies Mlango Pool, the quiet heart of the journey. Here, a concealed waterfall is born between split rocks, unseen at first glance. The water hides its fall, revealing only its vast calm outlet. You don't notice where it begins, only where it rests. To truly witness its origin, you must climb up the aerial edge of the valley, steep, demanding, and humbling. One of the hardest stretches of the hike, but also the most deserving. Every step tests your resolve, every breath carries intention. And then you arrive. Up there, it feels like paradise. Thick, long grass sways freely, vegetation grows undisturbed, joyful in its privacy, natural, untouched, and alive. Beyond this quiet sanctuary lies the habitat that forms Mlango Pool, still, deep, and timeless, a place that feels earned, not given. This is not a casual destination, it's a commitment, a once-in-a-lifetime pursuit that calls you to engage, not as a visitor, but definitely as a hiker. Because some places don't just reveal themselves easily, they reveal who you are when you reach them. And just like that, our waterfall chase through Kirinyaga County comes to an end. From hidden valleys to roaring falls, this journey reminded us why we hike: to feel, to connect, and to rediscover ourselves through nature. To each and every one of you who took the time to watch this vlog, thank you. Thank you for walking with us, for being part of the tribe, and for sharing this space with us. And the adventure doesn't stop here. We invite you to join us on the next camping and hiking escape at the breathtaking Gura River Camp in Nyeri County, happening on the 20th to 29th of March. A slow scenic hike to Thiba Falls, peaceful river immersions, and unforgettable bonfire nights, guided by the calming flow sounds of the Gura River. Be sure to check out the poster on our social media pages for all the details, and come be part of the Anthem Nation. As always, anytime, any day, we are Anthem.